Now you can change the scale of a video clip or footage in Capcut Mobile completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more presets and effects for life. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
1. Make sure your clip or video is selected and highlighted. A couple different ways you can do this. You can go to the video preview, you can hold and pinch in. You can see our video clip or footage coming in, or you're successfully adjusting the scale. You can see we can see this building much more as we pinched in and even pinch outwards. Second step or option is make sure your video clip is still selected and highlighted. Go down and scroll to the right until you see the option which says basic. Now remove BG and filters. You can click the second option which says scale. You can move this to the right. And as you can see, we're adjusting the scale completely for free in Capcut Mobile.